Hey there, welcome back guys. This is part 2 in the 3-part series of making YouTube shorts. In this part 2, we're going to be showing you how to make a YouTube short using the YouTube application. The first part, we showed you how to do it by taking an original video that you have and just taking that 1 minute or 30-second snippet and creating a short out of it. In this part, we're going to show you how to create a different montage of different scenes happening with it, whether it be 1 minute or 30 seconds using the YouTube application. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so you're going to want to have your phone handy, whether it's Android or iPhone, doesn't matter, the experience is still the same. You're going to need 2 applications. You're going to need the it's free, the YouTube app and the YouTube Studio. And one, you can't complete the process of creating a YouTube short without having these 2 applications. One, you might be able to do from your computer to finish the editings and the tags, but to complete the 100% experience for a 1 minute or 30-second YouTube short, you need both applications, and I will show you. All right, so here we go. We're going to start off with the YouTube app. Okay, so we got that out of the way. So once you launch the YouTube application, as you can see here on your screen, we'll just move this over so that you guys can see me over there. Press that plus button, right? And now you have here, you have an option of 15 seconds or 60 seconds, okay? And you have the options, I believe, if you swipe left or right to do the same thing too. If you swipe this way, it gives you no filter. You can add retro, etc. I don't do filters, so what you see is what you get. All right, so knowing that, moving forward, remember we're using the app. You can have a video already saved in there, you can add, or we're going to create one here using the application. So I'm going to create something like just a little scene of what's happening. Like, well, again, we have to select our time, 60 seconds of the studio, right? And here it is. Here's my studio. Everything you see here, there's been a video made for it, believe it or not. Or if there isn't a video, there would definitely be one coming for it. And especially here, I don't know if any of you guys remember the Eiffel Tower, the Dummy 13, the laser engraving machine that was sent to us from another company, the Tello drone, which was started off in the beginning series, and then we have our on air, which should be on, but the batteries died, in case you're wondering. See that? And then we have here a little smoke bomb, a little car. There was a video on that. And now we're just going to scoot over back, and that's it, right? So now we have a full video, as you can see. And then there's my keyboard, which was in the attic. I don't like this keyboard because there's no backlight, but it works because I have lights coming from here. So there it is. That's our video. And as you can see, the only downside to this is that I want to edit it. I can't edit it. I can't go back. So this is a full stream video. Like, it's a full 1 minute. Now let's say you want to create a video. I want to go outside, right? So let's say we can scratch that. We're not going to use this, okay? So I'm going to press the back button, right? And then press there. And now you have to start over again. So there you only get one take if you use up your 1 minute. Let's say I want to do 1 minute, like not a 1 minute video, right? And I want to do, let's say, check out the dragon. Really cool, huh? All right, 9, I like it. And they'd be like, let's see how it floats in the water. So then what you would do is you would take your dragon, of course, and put him in the sink. Now we stopped, right? You could also just press the record button and let it record, but then you use up your minutes, okay? So don't worry, I'm not going to put him in the sink. So let's say the next scene is in the bathroom, right? So I'm here, and the kids were in here. It's a mess. So, you know, you want to put them on the washing machine or something. So then the next few seconds will be here. So I would press the record button, hold it down until I'm done. And there's my dragon. He's flying, you know, like then we get a little bit of music, you see? And then there it is. That's that particular scene. So as you can see, if you look at the red timeline, right? Those are my little snippets. I got two snippets. So you can create a different experience, right, for each little snippet that you have. So let's say now I'll have to put the phone down. I'm going to do a little snippet of, hey guys, we're going to change the batteries. It looks like we're not really on the air until until it says we're on the air. So we're just going to change the batteries to here, right? So I can do like, press it again. So now this will be a different experience to the video. Oh, someone's calling me. So I'm going to show you guys how I change the batteries on the air thingy. Here we go. See that? So now it's going to record it. I got to be quick because remember, I only get not a lot of time. So I just wasted that. And then I stopped it, right? So now the next part is going to be really fast too. Got to have the batteries ready. I see where they are. One. Whoops. I lost, but that's okay. Got out of focus. So the focus is not, let's see if we can zoom in and out to reset it. No. So it is a, there we go. All right, so then I'm just gonna, so blurry. It's okay. Anyway, you get the gist of it. So there it is right there. I'm putting the batteries in. It's a little bit blurry. Voila. And now the sign's back up. And now we can be on. Sometimes if you do light, attach light to it, it will reset the experience up. And now this will be part of that experience too, where you get to watch the cover get put back on. And then do that. Whoops. And then we'll just press like there. Voila, me leaving. And then zooming out. It is zoomed out. Wow, looks pretty close for, whoops. Yeah, all right. And then we'll do it like that for another few seconds. And then voila. So you see, now we have there, and we still have more time to play with, right? So now we can just zoom around to the studio again, and then let you guys see everything that's here for the last part of the experience. Okay. And then now, and there it is, closing in on there. So that was it. So that now you have different shots, because you can be, you know, you can add a different montage experience to many different things that are happening, and it doesn't have to be the full 1 minute. You have full control of it. Don't crash the app. I don't believe it saves it, so the experience could be lost. It does. I'm not sure if it can save a draft or not, but you see, look, now if I click here, I can see that. I can't edit it, but now I can add a text, put tour, put your studio, right? Your studio, right? Just leave it in red, or we call it YouTube Studio, right? Oh yeah, let's press edit, right there. Call it, toy, YouTube Studio, all right? And I select done, see? And now I can put that wherever I want. Maybe put it there, and then add sound. I'm gonna put the piano. Now remember, I have sound. I just clicked add sound, right? So in order to add the sound, you actually have to press that blue button. See, I didn't press it. Now it's there. Now you have a speaker on the top right. So now we'll have the music playing. Hold on. Let's see if we can hear it. But now you hear two voices. I mean, my voice, right? And the music in the background. So maybe you're like, you know what? I don't like the voiceover, because music can make the most mundane things look really cool. Okay? So you press on the speaker and your audio, and now we're there. And then I'll just press the X, lower it, and voila. See? It looks really cool. So call it YouTube Studio. Select next, wait for it to buffer. And then there's another two-step process. That's why you need two apps to actually complete the process of the video. There's 1 minute short or 30-second short. Okay, hold on 1 second. So now what you're going to do is you're going to put on a title, call it YouTube Studio. And then you can play piano. For some reason, it asks you to put hashtags there. Usually you would put them, I guess, in the description. But in this case, it's, as you can see, it's automatically asking for it here. You can add, I'll fix these later. You'll see what I changed to it. Visibility could be public or private or schedule. In this case, I'm going to leave it as private. I'll leave a link to it so that you guys can watch it. Or maybe I'll just add it to the end of this video. Your audience. No, it's not made for kids. Related video, there isn't one, but if there is, actually the related video would probably be this video, okay? But it hasn't been made yet, so we're not there yet. So we have to go forwards in times in order to go back in time so that you could have the experience that's just right for you. It's so confusing. All right. It can allow mixing, alter content. No, it's not altered content since it's my content. And then you select upload to shorts. Okay. And then now, we're not done just yet. Now it uploaded, it's in the shorts, it's listed as a private video if you want to find it. But now we have to go into the YouTube Studio application to complete the process. Why they don't streamline it, I don't know. As you can see, this is what we have here. Now we're just going to go into content. So once you select content, right, on your screen, you go into not live, but shorts. And then for visibility, since I chose private, apply, that one video should show up. See, 20 minutes left until it processes, but you can still finish it. So now I'm going to select edit. See, these are some options that that weren't available before, like the description. You can add a description. We can put tour of YouTube, right? Studio. No. S-T-U-D-I. Oh. All right. So, you can fix all that later. It's private for now. And no, it's not made for kid. Related video, we'll have one later. Now we can add it to the YouTube Shorts list, which is why we couldn't do it before, I don't know. No, it doesn't include it. And then tags. See right there? We couldn't do that before. We can just call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it YouTube, and then another tag for Studio Tour. Studio, oh, there's no tag. It's just other, it's not hashtags. STU Studio Tour, and then tours, etc. The list can just go on. I'll put a comma to end it, and I believe that is pretty much it. We'll save it. Now remember, for the thumbnail, you only have one option to scrub through it, and that was previously before, so we missed that opportunity, but that's fine. We could leave it like that. You can edit it, in the pre-editing process. That's the only downside, is being able to change that thumbnail, which you want to do in the beginning, and just scrub through. Remember, change the thumbnail first because you can't go back, and then save it. And I believe that is it. That's part 2. This is how you do it using the app. Kind of neat, huh? A little bit different. A little bit of a duplicate effort going from one app into the other, but it does work. As you can see, we'll just let it play for you guys in the end. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.